Today, we're talking about stretches every martial artist needs to know. So if you're a martial artist, listen up. This will benefit you if you specialize in fighting, sparring, kumite, to make sure that your chamber's nice and high, you can kick really high, and you have more overall control over your leg. This will also benefit you if you're a pattern specialist in kata and forms, to make sure your stances are low, grounded, and technically correct. No one ever thinks about their outer hip. And if they do, they don't know how to stretch it. So let me teach you. All you're gonna do is extend one leg and cross one foot over on top of your knee. At this point, you might already feel the stretch. You wanna sit up nice and tall and push down on your knee. If you don't feel a thing, bend the base and bring it up as high as you're able to. Hold that for 30 seconds to a minute, and you've just stretched your outer hip. Every martial artist is gonna think that this is the most obvious thing, stretching your groin. And even for me, when I don't stretch my groin, I pay for it later. And I'm pretty flexible. So let's stretch your groin. Hands apart, we're gonna go into frog. Knees go down, push your knees apart. If you go low enough, drop to your elbows. You want to be sure that your body is right over top of your legs. You do not want to be leaning too far forwards because then you're taking pressure off of the groin stretch. And you also don't want to be too far backwards because then you're going to engage more of your hips. Not a bad thing, just not the groin stretch that you want. If you find that you're up here and you don't feel stretch at all you need to do is continue to try and push your knees apart from one another, but maintaining your foot position. Keep your feet right behind your knees. As you spread your knees apart, your feet travel with you. It's important to stretch your antagonist muscles. A lot of the time, we are very focused on stretching, but it's only one side, not realizing the other side might be really tight and impacting your range of motion. So I wanna know, what's your tight antagonist muscle? Leave me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe I'll make a video on how to stretch it. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye, everyone. What's your antagonist muscle? What is your antagonist muscle? What is your tight antagonist muscle?